check out our newest feature release. This one is on single-use appointment booking links. So what is a single-use booking link? This unique single-use scheduling link ensures heightened privacy and control over availability by automatically expiring after one booking is made. Why this matters and how it's going to help you in your business. This new feature is going to help you by safeguarding your calendar from repeat bookings. It's also going to simplify the booking process with an easy-to-use one-time link. All of these new updates are going to allow you to maintain control over your availability using links that expire after booking. So let me show you exactly how to find this new feature. First, we're going to go ahead and access Settings. Once you get to Settings, I'd like you to go ahead and open up the calendar area within your settings on the left-hand navigation. From there, when that upper navigation opens up, you're going to click on Calendars. Go ahead and use the kebab or the three dots to click to open up that calendar for editing. That is going to drop down a navigation and you're going to click Share. Now you'll see the new one-time copy link and you'll click on that and then click Copy. After sending that, if somebody goes back to click an additional time to book with you, they're going to get this, oh no, the link is no longer active. And now you've just protected your calendar from people just popping onto your calendar at any time. We hope you enjoy this new feature. If you need any help at all, let us know.